So I'm literally just putting my car back together from the last video that you guys have probably just seen, which is the Kangoo power system, not even fully back together. And I was post. Never guess what came in the mail. It's new seat covers, Supafit. Now guys, you don't have to do this. I'm only doing this because my seats are out. Because I've just done the power system. So power system upgrade, seats are out. Look at this. This string tied. Rubbish. It's literally just a cover that goes on to your Velcro. Like, you cannot get any easier than this, guys. You don't have to take the seat out. Give it a smack. Got the eyelets on it up here, so you know that's for the backrest. I'll do that last. Lift it up, get that corner in, get this corner in. Make sure the seams go along the actual edge of the seat. Back support's one of the easiest parts too. It's literally like line up your eye holes, make it easier, and you can put the headrest on now. Look how easy this is. Got to just do the center armrest, but that is ready to go in. Before you actually open it and try fit it, read what it's for. This one says 2015 Hilux SR5 Tonka rugged dual cab, driver's passenger, bucket seat, accessory pockets, airbag compatible. That's me. Guys, when you open these up, it will actually say here drivers or passenger. So this is drivers, not the right one that I want. It's the passenger, which is this one. So what we do, top part first. Very, very simple, guys. Slide it down, get your eyelets lined up, put your headrest back in, put it on your knee if you want. Now we fold up the bottom. Hang on. Fold up the bottom and make sure that all of this is untangled. So make sure that none of these Velcro bits are still together. They will end up joining back together, but not yet. Because first we've got to pull that all apart, which leaves you with these tails here, 1 and 2. So I've got to go in through the base of the seat like this. Come around here, there's this little flap here that needs to come up, so yeah, I'll show you. That leaves us with tails and pull them all the way through, and then we feed them through to the front. You're not going to be able to see a lot of this, but just trust me. This one goes around the side that guy there, tucks around the side to the back, around your seat belt. And you got to tuck all this in. These guys, I'm going to tuck them under the seat to join up with the back section. This part, folding that up, we've got our tails, pull down on them really nice and tight. We've got these around the back straps. They're going to link up with the top section once it's folded over, but for now we want to go in under this ABS wiring so that we don't hit that, and then reach through, pull our front pieces, these ones, fold them all the way up and join them on. Okay, so now that flap is all done. I've avoided my ABS cable that's here. That one's all nice, not obscuring anything. I can now put this piece back under and then pull my last bits around, velcro them on underneath, make sure they're pulled really tight, and then the rest just velcros to the back of the chair. I'm not going to run much through the other side, it's exactly the same, but that is your Supafit seat cover. When they're all on and done, give them a whack, they do go into place. That's it. So why do I choose Supafit seat covers? Australian made, Australian owned, fully legal, perfect for your insurance. Not much more that you can really say. I tried them and tested them. You've seen me do the video with the camouflage ones on the N70. I've gone with black ones this time. See if that's a good or a bad idea, see how dirty they get with the sea salt water. But realistically, they're a canvas, black dyed canvas. They're not going to get dirty. They're not going to stain. They're going to be like this in 2 to 3 years time. So if you guys have enjoyed watching a little bit more content on the N80 build that's slowly coming together, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment below, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.